While our software is installing, let's make sure that we can access the Git repository that you will need for this installation. So we click back on the dashboard. We'll open the GitLab here on a new window. You've created a passwords from the welcome email, and then we simply sign in. It might ask you to change your password when signing in for the first time, and then we are good to go. You will see quite a few repositories here, and these repositories contain code for different action modules. We will be looking at that later. Now we're interested on this particular repository, which is the development installation for the entire Docker setup. So once we have Git enabled here on the command line, we will go ahead and pull this repository and see the steps forward from there. And we now have the Git command line tool available. Next we need to generate a private key. So if you already have a private key, you can simply do like this. And this would output your current private key. Since this is a new computer, we don't have private key generated, so we will do that. This will generate the key. We will not be using passphrase for this. And now we have a public key here. So this is now our public key that we will need to add on our account. We have the account open already here. So we will go here, and it will suggest here to add an SSH key. So let's go ahead and do that. Add. And now we will be able to follow the steps from here. So we will add a remote. So make sure that you're on the right directory. This is the directory that we created for the demo purpose. It's already added. Git pull origin master should start pulling now everything that's needed for the Docker installation. This will take a little while because there are quite a lot of files that we will be needing. So once this is complete, we will continue to the next step.